the Son of the Most High God. Jesus lives in me. Greatness dwells in me. I hail from Deity. I'm the Son of the Most High God. Jesus lives in me. Greatness dwells in me. Creation is waiting for me. We are sons of the Most High. We carry Jesus. We carry everything. I'm the glorious tree of righteousness. I am both divinity. I bring life to creation. Yes, I'm a savior.